Man Arden 7x Beard Oil is best beard oil. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Man Arden 7x Beard Oil comes with 7 essential oils for the beard. The beard oil helps men grow their beard long and thick by providing it with the required nourishment and a smooth, soft texture. Enriched with 7 different oil extracts, this oil is ideal for men of all ages to nourish their beard. Man Arden Beard and Moustache Oil lightweight formula is powerful enough to make your beard soft but never leaves a greasy residue behind. Man Arden 7x Beard Oil is best beard oil. Man Arden 7x Beard Oil comes with jojoba extracts, castor oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, fragranced and contains argan oil and olive oil. Contains jojoba extracts. Jojoba oil extracts in the beard oil gets absorbed rapidly into the beard, thus enabling growth of the beard. It moisturizes the beard hair follicles and enables the cells to grow rapidly. Contains castor oil. Castor oil present in the beard oil helps to thicken the hair follicles and gets rid of frizzy ends. This helps the beard gain density and a well-groomed look. Contains grapeseed oil. The beard oil contains grapeseed oil, which is an odorless, light oil that is lighter than even coconut oil or olive oil. It is ideal for moisturizing the hair and the scalp and prevents flakiness. Contains almond oil. Almond oil contains the omega-3 fatty acids and the necessary vitamin E. It strengthens the beard hair and prevents hair fall and brittleness. Fragranced and contains argan oil and olive oil. Argan oil and olive oil are rich in vitamin E. The oil nourishes facial skin and roots of the beard. This oil not only encourages beard growth but also protects the skin below the beard. Man Arden 7x Beard Oil comes with a dropper. The beard oil bottle comes with a dropper that makes the process of using the oil hassle-free. This feature prevents the wastage of the oil. Man Arden 7x Beard Oil contains 100% natural pure 7 super ingredients that will moisturize, promote faster beard growth, soften and condition your beard, mustache or goatee and make sure that it looks and feels incredible. Man Arden 7x Beard Oil is best beard oil. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.